Welcome to Art 101. In this short video, I'm going to walk you through using the online textbook, and we'll look at modules also. Let's start here. We're on the home page. This is the first thing that you'll see when you log in, and as you can see, this is the syllabus with basic information on the class. Once you've gone through here, and you can see there's a link here to the online textbook. Feel free to open that up and explore it. Once you've read the syllabus, the most important thing to do is to look at the schedule of assignments and readings. And when you get to the bottom, you'll see there's a summary here. This is a quick view, but I would go to the modules link up here, and you can see a week-by-week breakdown. And we'll review this also in class on the weekend. Let's start here. So the first thing you need to do is this reading quiz. So if you click on this, the link to the reading for Paleolithic and Neolithic art is here. So let's go there and look at the online textbook. It's called Khan Academy. You do not need to donate or log in or even sign up. The readings are free and accessible to you as a student through this course. These are the readings. You can click on these links directly, or you can open this up. You can also do practice quizzes, which will help prepare you for the quiz that you'll do in Canvas. You click here, or you can just click the short essays, and in some cases they're videos here, Neolithic art, and that's pretty much it. If you go back to the course, you can see the next assignment, which you must also complete in the first week, is a different link for the reading. That'll take you to an essay on Wikipedia. If you click here, you can see the essay. And then once you finish that, you go back and you start your assignment. As you can see, one of your classmates has already posted, which is great. I hope that helps. I will see you in class.